How to fix Bluestacks crashing on Windows. I am going to show you how you can easily fix Bluestacks crashing on Windows. If you have an outdated graphics card driver, you may encounter the Bluestacks app crashing issue. For that, you should update the driver with the steps below. Right-click on the Windows icon on the desktop and click Device Manager. Double-click on Display Adapters to expand it. Then right-click on the graphics card driver and choose the Update Driver option. In the next window, choose a driver update method based on your demand and then follow the prompted instructions to finish the process. With improper game settings, Bluestacks keeps crashing Windows 10. For instance, you need to ensure that the RAM allocated for the game is enough. Open Bluestacks and click the gear button at the lower right corner to open settings. After the settings page appears, highlight the Engine tab. Move to the right side of the window and then configure the settings to match the requirements. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. After that, Bluestacks will restart. Check if Bluestacks still keeps crashing. If so, try other solutions. Hyper-V service can cause conflicts with most Android emulators, including the crashing issue. Disable this and stabilize Bluestacks client and avoid crashing. Press Windows plus R key to open the run window and then enter AppWiz, CPL and click Enter. In the next window, click on the Turn Windows Feature On or Off option in the left pane. In the pop-up window, uncheck the checkbox of Hyper-V and click OK to save the change. After finishing the process, click Restart Now to put the action into effect. Antivirus programs on your computer like AVG, Avast, and Malwarebytes can interfere with the running of Bluestacks. Based on that fact, you can try uninstalling antivirus programs. Navigate to the Programs and Features section by executing the previous steps again. Right-click on your antivirus program from the listed programs and click Uninstall. Then confirm and finish the process. If Bluestacks keeps crashing after executing the solutions, reinstall Bluestacks to fix the issue. For that, you should uninstall Bluestacks. After that, click to move the official website of Bluestacks and click on the download button on the page to download and install Bluestacks. Now you may run Bluestacks smoothly without crashing.